Yo, what's good, crypto fam? Your girl back with some urgent market intel that's about to change how you see this whole game. We got war shaking markets, Bitcoin doing the impossible, and some moves happening that could set you up for life or leave you holding bags. Don't you dare click away from this. Listen up, while y'all been sleeping, the crypto world just went through some wild turbulence. Israel just launched preemptive strikes on Iran. Oil prices spiked, and guess what? Bitcoin said, hold my beer, and stayed strong at 105K, while everything else crashed. But that's just the beginning of this story. But here's what's really crazy that nobody's talking about. This crash that had everyone panicking, it was actually Bitcoin showing us it's not a risk asset anymore. While the Dow dropped 600 points and NASDAQ fell 400, Bitcoin barely flinched. We're witnessing the birth of Bitcoin as a true safe haven asset, and most people still don't get it. Real talk, this is completely different from what happened during the Ukraine-Russia conflict. Back then, Bitcoin dropped 9% in one day when war broke out. Now, we're seeing 2% dips that get bought up immediately. Why? Because institutions ain't selling. BlackRock, MicroStrategy, all these whales are diamond-handing through the chaos. The supply shock is real. Only 450 Bitcoin available daily from miners, but we got companies buying thousands every week. MicroStrategy alone eliminated 50,000 whole coiners in 1 week. That's 500,000 people who can't get to 0.1 Bitcoin because of one company. Now let's talk about how this war is actually helping Bitcoin long-term. When there's uncertainty, when fiat currencies get shaky, where do smart money go? They go to the hardest asset on earth. Oil jumping 8% means inflation pressure, which means more money printing, which means Bitcoin becomes more attractive. It's like a perfect storm pushing institutional money into crypto, not away from it. But yo, speaking of massive moves, XRP just dropped some nuclear news. They're getting full integration with Cardano. Charles Hoskinson himself announced XRP ledger support, RLUSD DeFi features, and even potential staking for XRP holders. Word on the street is 70% chance Judge Torres approves lifting that institutional sales injunction and drops that penalty from $125 million to just $50 million. If that happens, XRP about to go parabolic. Here's what I'm seeing for the next few weeks. We got 3 major events that could send Bitcoin to the moon. Tuesday, Genius Bill final vote in the Senate. This is huge for crypto regulation. Wednesday, FOMC meeting. If Powell even hints at rate cuts, Bitcoin's going straight to 120K. Thursday, 20-year bond auction. If it comes in weak like the last one, that's more proof the dollar is cooked. But here's the real alpha. While retail is scared of 2% dips, institutions are going crazy behind the scenes. GameStop just announced they're buying Bitcoin. Trump media talking about a $2.5 billion Bitcoin treasury. We're at the point where not having Bitcoin is becoming the risky move. Every S&P 500 company looking at MicroStrategy's 2,000% gains thinking we need to get in before it's too late. Now, real talk about summer. Yeah, it might be choppy. We always see some volatility during these months. But this ain't your typical summer. We got the M2 money supply pointing to 160K Bitcoin. We got nation-states building strategic reserves, and we got the supply getting cut in half every 4 years. Even if we see a 25% pullback, we're talking about going from 105K to maybe 80K. That's still higher than we were 6 months ago. Bottom line, family, this war, this uncertainty, this chaos, it's all just proving what we've been saying. Bitcoin is the future. While everyone else panicking, smart money is accumulating. Don't let these short-term moves shake you out of generational wealth. The institutions getting in now are the same ones that'll be paying 200K, 300K, 500K per Bitcoin next year. If this video opened your eyes to what's really happening in these markets, smash that like button and subscribe for daily alpha that actually makes you money. The revolution is happening right now. Don't get left behind. Before we wrap up, this is not financial advice, y'all. Trading and investing in cryptocurrency is extremely risky and you could lose all your money. This content is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Always do your own research and never invest more than you can afford to lose. And there you have it. Gonna keep it short and sweet this time. Let us know in the comments if you like this quick format. Straight shooting, no fluff, straight to the point alpha. Or if you rather a more long-form structure where we do more of a deep dive. At Trench Media, we're always open to feedback, so we can tailor these videos to better serve you. There are a lot of people copying Trench's news. We're often imitated, but no one will ever do it like us. No one is going to have our flavor. Alpha, current events, music videos. If you like the vibes, lock in and show us love. Don't forget to ape some Trench token if you haven't already and want to show some love. Our team holds the majority of the token. Snipers are shaken out. If the bubble maps looks bad, it's only because we airdrop supply to 150 wallets on drop day from supply we sniped off the floor. We are the floor. You can be too. Again, not financial advice. Good luck, D-Gens. Peace.
Trench Media, the spot where we plot. Broadcasting live from the block non-stop. Flipping meme coins like pancakes hot. Crypto moves sharp like a blade, no shot. Trench Media, we breaking the code. Digital gold, stacking loads on loads. From the blockchain to the streets, told the hustle never stops, right? We forever.